Nutrela Slim Choice is a scientifically formulated meal replacement protein shake designed to support weight loss, improve metabolism, and provide essential nutrients, all in a delicious, easy-to-consume form. Manufactured by Patanjali's Nutrela brand, it's made with plant-based ingredients and enriched with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals to help you feel full and energized while reducing your calorie intake. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a fitness enthusiast, Nutrela Slim Choice helps you manage your diet effectively without compromising on nutrition. Supports healthy weight loss. The shake is low in calories but rich in protein and fiber, making it ideal for calorie control and fat burning. It helps create a calorie deficit without starving your body. High in plant-based protein. Each serving provides a good dose of plant-based protein, which helps preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss and keeps you full longer, reducing cravings. Rich in fiber. Dietary fiber aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and promotes satiety. With adequate fiber, you'll feel fuller, longer, which means fewer chances of reaching for unhealthy snacks.